Welcome to the Neonatal Resuscitation Training Simulator.
Sanitize your hands and wear the gloves.
Take the clips and fix it in umbilical cord. Take the scissors to cut the umbilical cord. Dispose the umbilical cord in the yellow container. Remove the blood stains using the warm cloth. Dispose the warm cloth in the yellow container. Using the stethoscope, analyze the normal heart rate. Place the rolled towel under the neck. Remove fluid using the suction cup from mouth and nose to clear the airways. Give chest compression to the baby using your 2 fingers. Provide oxygen using the resuscitator. Turn the baby to one side and rub the back. Check the heart rate using the stethoscope. Repeat the compression step. Using the stethoscope, analyze the normal heart rate. Cover the baby with the warm clothes. Congratulations for saving the baby's life.